Where's Logan?
Don't worry, he'll be here.
We're not taking the video without Logan.
Okay.
So Logan's not here this week. Ryan's gonna be our video guy, which means I'll be doing most of the wrenching as we install our fully adjustable GT3 suspension onto our wide-body Porsche 911.
All right, now go push it in because I'm not helping you today. I'm just cameraman. Soon you'll be running. You can do it, Tony.
Gotta get out of this hole first.
Ah, that was easy. Now, does it work to install it? No.
Where's my sway bars?
I don't know. I forgot them. Let's find them. Oh, I see them.
Yep.
They're on top of the rack.
Yep.
See, I gotta do Logan's job, which is point the camera at things so we can find them. It's there.
All right, so we got, there's the sway bars. We got lower control arms that are adjustable, and you know, in combination with this, and bump steer. Whoa!
Dropping all of our new stuff.
Yeah, these are to compensate for bump steer. Harder rubber bushings, upper strut plates, sway bar links. We've got the front strut brace.
Oh, this is my favorite strut brace. This is the one that makes an X, isn't it?
Yes.
That's the coolest looking one. You know, it's kind of excessive.
Is there such a thing? Shims.
No.
More sway bar links. So everything we need to make that car handle even better.
Okay, so right now we have all these adjustable GT3 style suspension components, right?
Yes.
And we also have MCS coilovers on the car, right?
Yes.
So what are we into this so far, cost-wise?
Oh, this is going to be like $20,000 suspension.
Woo! That's like a 996's value in suspension.
Yes, if you
A
look at it
cabriolet.
that way, yeah.
If it was a cabriolet, you could get a cabriolet for 20 grand. Well, let's put them in then, I guess, right?
Yes, I think that's the next step.
Woo! This is some hard work. You're doing a good job, Tony.
Thanks.
This is a nice day.
I was going to say it's a vacation day.
This is a vacation day for me. Let's get the film and tell Tony what to do.
Perfect.
I did a Logan for you.
Except I said swivel.
Oh. I did half a Logan for you.
We barely got started and we already ran into our first snag. We have a stock Carrera 2 996 upright to a GT3 sway bar, so we need a different drop link. Obviously, this bolt won't accomplish what that bolt accomplished. It won't hold us up to moving forward. There you go, Ryan, do something.
Okay, so you remember how we were making fun of Logan because he abandoned us for vacation? Well, Tony decided to get sick overnight, so now it's me, and I had to solicit the help from Amos. Say hi, Amos.
Hello.
From the main shop to help us get this thing done in time for Saturday's video. No big deal. We're going to keep going, and we're going to make fun of Tony and Logan now the whole time. Now, unfortunately, that means I also now have to do some more work instead of just filming. So, there goes my vacation. Inside the vacation of Logan's vacation and Tony's now vacation. I see what he did there. He forced me to work. But now we're going to force Amos to work.
Yeah.
Hey, let's do this. You got this?
Sure. Gotta figure out where Tony left off.
Yeah, that's the fun part. Hey Amos, you come here often?
Oh boy. Hey, thanks, Tony. Click, click.
Let's torch back on that, Amos.
Yep, that tight.
Hey, look at that! It's Amos's first time filming. Don't let us down, Amos. YouTube is counting on you.
I'll try not.
You're the chosen one. All right, so I'm gonna put together the lower control arms to the front here. What's nice about these are they're fully adjustable. They're GT3 style. The way this works is, this is like the inner bushing, this is the outer of the ball joint, right? And this will slide in here. You can change the distance here with spacers. And I think for now, just to start it out, we're gonna go with the, slide in here. Just one of the largest spacers. Go with that, and then we'll see if we wanna adjust it later. What's nice about this is then we can completely change the track width of the car with this up front, and also the camber from the bottom. So, a lot of adjustability going into this. The fun part though, and Amos already knows this, he's installed these before, is that these nuts are nylocks on the inside, so they're gonna be a pain to clamp down. This is gonna take forever.
Flexing those muscles.
Yeah, I gotta work the forearm muscles. I really wish I could fit a ratcheting wrench in here. As you can see, the replacement arm with one shim in it is a little bit longer than the OEM one. This thing is gonna look a little mean, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Yes, indeedy. I like it. These are the tire rods that we're putting on the Slantnose as well. As you can see, they look pretty meaty, but also what's nice about them is they're fully adjustable for bump steer. Now you have these shims, you know, you could put it into the knuckle, put the shims in the backside and bolt it, and then there's like your higher ride height. And then like this car, because it's gonna be so low, we're gonna pull off this tapered sleeve, put all the shims in the bottom, sleeve, boom. So now, hopefully the tire rods will be completely level to the ground when it's done, and that'll help a lot with bump steer.
Ryan, what's going on?
We ran into a bit of a hiccup, but I think we might be okay, we'll see. So the problem is, the bushing that goes into the lower control arms is supposed to be like 62 point whatever millimeters, right? This one's correct, it's 62.5, right? Well, the three other bushings, they're measuring in at 66 and change, each one of them. Now, I looked down to the inside of it, and you can see there's a split between both, like, I'll call them like the centers, I guess, whatever floating pieces. There's a gap, whereas this one is not gapped, it's actually tight. So there's actually a defect in the manufacturing of these. Kind of annoying, but I think what we can do is try to take like vice grips, clamp it a little bit tighter, slide it up in, and we should be okay. There we go.
Yeah.
Vice grips in the way now.
Now you're gonna need a mallet.
That one's going.
Dead bug, maybe.
It worked. Crisis averted. We're gonna have to do that for 3 out of 4 bushings. A little annoying, but it's in. So I think that over some time there, it'll wear into where it's supposed to be and not be a big issue. Hey Amos,
What?
I just realized something. You know Tony's not here, right?
Yeah?
So you know what that means?
No.
It means that we could do this. Amos! Get the bolt cutters!
I got him!
Yeah, there we go. Cage does not roll very easily.
Ryan, what the heck?
Well, you see, I wanted to crash through the brush like the Kool-Aid Man, and things got a little rowdy. I lost the fender in the process.
Oh boy.
Amos, what'd you do?
Well, you see.
Oh, what'd you hit? But that would be irresponsible and a complete waste of time, so we're not actually going to do that.
Totally. We gotta pay for this somehow.
Other side here, tighten down a little more. All right, so we hit a little snag where we don't have all the parts we need. We need the rear toe arms. I'm not sure what happened to them. I thought we ordered them, they just never showed up. We looked everywhere, they're not here. And also, when we come back in part 2 of the series of doing suspension in the Slantnose, we'll be installing the front strut braces and the rear sway bar. We gotta do all the bushings yet too when the other rear arms are not getting replaced because they're solid arms, they don't need to be adjustable. But yeah, I thought we made some pretty good progress today, and Amos, you were super helpful with filming, so thank you. Anyway, drop a like below, guys. Help us out, help us keep growing so we can keep putting out great content for you, or at least we think is great anyway. And we'll catch you guys next Saturday. Later.